The new car is based on the premium model, but its price is 6,000 yuan lower than that model. There is not much difference in terms of style, except for the addition of the 25th Anniversary Edition nameplate logo to the body details, which can be considered to increase recognition. It also adds red sports kits such as the exterior rearview mirrors. On the other hand, it adopts a red and black color scheme, which enhances the overall aesthetics. In addition, it adopts a large-sized black painted grille design around the front, and a honeycomb structure is built inside the grille to make the front face look more magnificent. The side feels softer. Its roof uses a sharp starlight shade that ensures illumination inside the car. It also has a body length of 4,400 mm and a wheelbase of 2,785 mm. It has a compact but majestic feel, and red decorative parts are also used in terms of side skirts, which makes the new car even more beautiful. As for the rear of the car, its design is quite simple. The rear lamp group is also a transitional design like the headlight group. At the same time, the rounded rear part of the car has also been improved. In terms of visual beauty and the surroundings of the rear of the vehicle, it is also decorated with red decorative stripes and black decorative parts, which significantly increases the overall sophistication of the vehicle. In addition, the car uses a lot of red decorative stripes combined with black and white design, which makes the interior of the car more stylish. It has a sportier texture but remains consistent with the old model in terms of overall design. It still uses the 9.2-inch full LCD display and 12.8-inch central control screen design, and its configuration has also been increased. Features such as steering wheel heating and front seat ventilation are only average in this price range. Fortunately, these configurations are relatively practical. In terms of power, it uses a single rear-mounted engine. At the same time, this engine can produce a maximum output of 200 kilowatts. In terms of pure electric cruising range, it uses a 66 kilowatt-hour triple lithium battery pack and has a corresponding pure electric cruising range of 580 kilometers.